Happy Hump Day, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majeski back with you here in the North Georgia Majestic Weather Studios with your Talking Live forecast update here on your December the 10th, 2025. Well, we got some clouds moving on through. Definitely a bit milder here on our Wednesday, but don't get used to it. Our schizophrenic bipolar forecast, or however you want to describe it, is going to continue. A lot of fluctuations and some really cold air expected to come in here as we begin the new work week. Now, before we get into this full report, if you're new here to the channel, please give us a like and follow on Facebook. And if you're watching over on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future weather updates just like these. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look up there in Chattanooga as we're looking at sunshine, some high clouds blowing through the area for today. Not looking too bad here on your Wednesday hump day as well as across North Georgia. Got some sunshine, high clouds. Again, after a chilly start, it'll be a milder day here for everybody here. Radar is going to remain quiet. We might see some showers coming in on Saturday. There are some question marks on the tail end of the 7-day, which I'll talk about in just a second. But overall, rain chances are still pretty limited here. Here's a satellite picture again. Waiting on this cold front to come on through here, and that's going to be bringing in that cold air as we'll be settling in here for tonight. Also turning it a bit breezy throughout the day. It continuing to linger into tonight, but should settle down for tomorrow. Now, as we look at our regional perspective, again, we're waiting on that cold front charging in here from the west as this high pressure gives way. Again, we're getting kind of a westerly, southwesterly flow here, so things are going to warm up here a little bit as we continue throughout the day on Wednesday, and then going into Thursday, it's going to turn around. The wind's going to go right back from the other direction, and we're going to see that a couple times. That's why this crazy weather pattern continues. Now, as we go ahead and take a look at our model data here, we do have a chance of precipitation across East Tennessee, especially going into the mountain locations. So you get a little upslope. Might see a stray shower up in this area here for tonight. Not going to amount to anything here, but again, maybe a snow shower or two, a possibility. Then this clears on out, and when we're looking pretty quiet, we don't have anything here. But it's going to be a bit breezy again for tonight, subsiding for tomorrow, and then we're going to see a warm up again, and then it'll turn windy again with the next cold shot coming in the next week. So again, a crazy weather pattern. So let's go ahead and take a look at your forecast maps here. Watch this timestamp there from our friends from the National Weather Service as we go into, again, your Thursday's looking pretty good. It's got a big cold. It's going to be frosty. Everybody be generally down in the 20s for tomorrow morning, and then we're going to struggle into the 40s. But once we get into Friday, look where the high is again, almost the exact same position as the last one. We're going to warm up back up once again with a bit of a southwesterly flow. So we're going to warm up again on Friday, and then going into Saturday, maybe a stray shower by later in the afternoon, going to the evening hours. And then, boys, it get cold on Sunday. Check out those isobars. Really packed in there. So you know it's going to be pretty breezy and windy. It's going to be very frigid with falling temperatures on Sunday. Pretty cold on your Monday. And then we're going to quickly recover going into Tuesday. Again, the high pressure shifts off. We'll see we'll go southwesterly flow come back in here. So we should see things begin to warm up going into Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm not really putting a chance of rain in there just yet. I want to see what happens here with the later forecast models. So here's our forecast. Enjoy the milder day on your hump day. It wasn't bad on Wednesday, but colder on Thursday. 44, 30 there in Chattanooga. Morning lows are going to be quite cold. Most areas into the 20s. A little bit of a wind there in the morning, still holding on a little bit, so a little of additional wind chill. So make sure you bundle up the kids in the morning. We'll see afternoon highs, mostly in the 40s. Winds should begin to subside, especially across East Tennessee. May linger a little bit across North Georgia there on your Thursday afternoon. Regionally looking like this: 49 in Birmingham, 57 in Jackson, 56 in Savannah. All these readings about 8 to 10 degrees colder on Thursday than what they saw on Wednesday. And the next 7 days, here's the roller coaster. 57 on Friday, 55 on Saturday again. Couldn't rule out an isolated shower or two there. And then 35, 30 on Sunday. It's going to be brutally cold Sunday. 37, 21 on Monday. And again, these are kind of a blend between the European and GFS models right now, but they're in pretty good agreement. It's going to be pretty cold there on Sunday and Monday, and then a nice warm up. We're back in the mid 50s potentially by the time we head to the middle of next week. So, and right now, the way things are trending going into Christmas week is it looks like we'll see temperatures running a bit above average. It wouldn't shock me to see even some 60s, yeah, which I mean, your normal high is supposed to be around 55. It wouldn't shock me to see some 60s for highs going into Christmas week. At least that's the way it's looking currently. Again, I appreciate you guys checking us out here on the Talking Live Broadcast Channel Facebook page. Please give us a like and follow. And over on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future updates. All right, that's y'all's update for today. You guys take it easy, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.